In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable as a CRM. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workspace to track contacts and deals, visualize your pipeline, and keep everything organized in one place. First, open Airtable and create a new base. Give it a clear name so it stands out in your workspace. CRM works perfectly. Starting fresh ensures you're only seeing fields and tables that matter for customer relationships and sales. Next, set up your contacts table. Add fields for name, email, phone, and company. As you add them, pick sensible field types so your data stays clean. Use a single-line text field for name and company, an email field for email, and a phone field for phone. Choosing the right type now saves time later when you're filtering, sorting, or searching. Create a second table called Deals. Add fields for deal name, value, and status. Make deal name a text field that clearly identifies the opportunity. Set value to a currency field, so totals and summaries make sense. For status, choose a single select field. This will drive your pipeline later. Keep the options short and consistent so it's easy to scan. Now connect your deals to your contacts. In the deals table, add a new field and choose link to another record. Then point it to the contacts table. This creates a relationship between the two tables, so every deal is tied to the right person or company. It keeps details centralized and prevents duplicate typing across tables. With your structure in place, start entering information. Add contacts to the contacts table with accurate names and communication details, then create matching deals in the deals table. Link each deal to its contact so you can jump between records quickly. As you enter data, be consistent with formatting and fill in value and status so your pipeline reflects reality right away. To visualize your work, switch to a Kanban view on the deals table and group by the status field. Organize the stages to reflect your process. Common stages include new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and won. Arrange them in the order deals typically move. You can collapse columns you don't need to see and show only the fields that matter on each card. From here, tracking your pipeline is as simple as dragging cards from one stage to the next. When a deal progresses, move it to the new column and update its value if needed. This keeps your pipeline current and gives you a quick snapshot of what needs attention today. That's the foundation of using Airtable as a CRM. Keep it tidy, update statuses as work moves forward, and your pipeline will always tell the right story. Thanks for watching.